So this is my first attempt at making a manifold, and so far it's going alright, I think. So we just have the exhaust housing bolted up just so that doesn't warp when we're welding it. Haven't it fully welded yet, but I have most of the runners made. Just have to weld it all up, so that will go something like that. And then we have another one here. This one goes something like that. And then the last one I haven't made yet because I have to get rid of this bar. But to get rid of this bar, I have to weld this up fully so that it all sits in one place. I don't lose my position on it. So I'll get this fully welded and just clean off where I had all the bits tack welded. I just tack welded everything in place and then cut it apart, and then we'll finish making this one as well.